This is question number 9 on the November 2014 non-calculator paper. I could see straight away that this is a question about questionnaires. Let's read through it and see. Jack wants to find out how far people live from their nearest supermarket. He uses this question in a questionnaire. How far do you live from your nearest supermarket? So I've got 0 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 5 to 6. Write down 2 things wrong with this question. Okay, so a lot of people think about standard answers associated with this. So what I need to think about is, first of all, the overlapping options. Okay, so somebody says they live 2 away, or 2 miles away, or 2 kilometers away. Right, which one are you going to tick? 3 and 3 is there as well. So the first reason I'm going to put is overlapping options or overlapping intervals. Okay, so that's acceptable. The second reason I'm going to put, how far do you live from the nearest supermarket? He hasn't given any units of distance at all in there. So no units. Example, kilometers, miles, etc. Okay. Another reason you could give is that he hasn't got any options more than 6. Right. So if somebody lives 10 miles or 10 kilometers away, there isn't anything to tick for that. So that's another option that you could give for that. But those 2 are good enough. Make sure you read the question carefully, you understand what they're asking, and you are able to do it. There are 2 easy marks for this, and this type of question you definitely should get completely correct. In part B, it says, Jack also wants to find out how often people go shopping. Write a question Jack could use for his questionnaire. So they want us to write a question that he could use to find out how often people go shopping. So we need to actually write the question and do the tick boxes with the option timings on them, making sure that we put a time frame in the question, and the option boxes that we give don't overlap, and we give adequate option boxes. So I'm going to write down how often do you go shopping in a week. I could have said month, year, day, but as long as there's a time frame, that is adequate. And now I'm going to do my option boxes. It's important that you put in at least 4 of them. I will put a 0 option. I'll do 1 to 5, 6 to 10, and then I'm going to say more than 10. Okay, so my option boxes there cater for everything. They're not overlapping. I've got a 0 option box, and I've got a more than 10 option box. That doesn't overlap. Okay, so that is adequate. I should be able to get full marks in this, right? You need to make sure you do. It's 4 easy marks in this question.